broken? Do you need to be healed? Do you need to be restored? Today on Wisdom Inspired by Abba, we speak of the scriptures that Abba told us how this can all happen for you. You may say, I'm not sure, but Abba's word is true and does not lie, so I'm sure you can experience healing and deliverance today. We start in Isaiah 61:4 in the New International Version, and it says, they will rebuild the ancient ruins and restore the places long devastated. They will renew the ruined cities that have been devastated for generations. You may feel like today for all your life, maybe even for generations, that things have not been good, things have been bad, been ruined. But the word here says they, which is speaking of you. If you're a child of Abba, your Father, you are in that group that will rebuild the ancient ruins. Maybe somewhere back in your history there was somebody that did significant things for the Lord, but the trail went to the side, and for a long period of time you felt devastated. But we have read the word this morning that says Abba will rebuild. Doesn't matter how old it is. It doesn't matter how long the situation has been. You may be today saying, yes, but I've dealt with this ever since I can remember. And that could be true. The hurt could be extremely deep. The pain could be significant. But Abba has told us that you will rebuild. You through Him will rebuild no matter how old that pain is. No matter how long you've dealt with the situation, you will rebuild it. And you can change things completely in your life. Moving on to Psalms 147:3 in the New Life Version, it says, that's Abba your Father. He is the one who heals the broken heart. Not only does He heal the brokenhearted, but He heals your sorrows. Are you feeling great sorrow today? Are you dealing with a situation that has brought you tremendous pain? Then lift up your eyes and look to Abba your Father, because we read right here in Psalms that He is the great healer. He is the deliverer. You realize that the heart is what causes the whole body to live. So if your heart is hurting, if it's feeling heavy, your whole body may be feeling down. That's why today you may have said, I don't feel like getting out of bed. But yet His word is telling us that He heals you if you are brokenhearted. So if that heart is broken today and it's affecting your whole being, it's affecting what you do and how you think, stand upon this word, Psalms 147:3, knowing that Abba wants to heal your broken heart. He is certainly capable of it. There's no question. The only question needs to be, are you ready to receive the healing today? You may say, but my sorrows are too great. No, my friend, they are not. The word there didn't say, well, if your sorrow reaches a 5 or if it reaches a 7, but if it's greater than that, I can't do anything. No, His word said, direct quote, very emphatically, He will heal your sorrow. So wherever you are today, whatever you're facing today, Abba, your Father, wants to heal you. He wants to bring you out of that bad situation. He wants to change things completely for you. He wants you to experience life that is full of joy and abundance. You may say, oh, that sounds so good. What do I have to do? What do I have to do? Believe what you have heard today and stand upon it. Does it mean when you start believing the scriptures that everything will instantaneously change? It can, and in many circumstances it does. But even if it doesn't, you stand upon the word, knowing without doubt that Abba can and will change the things that are going on in your life. And He wants to. He's just waiting on you to ask and be ready to receive it, because He wants to bring that change to you. Listen to the words that we hear in Joel. We'll start in the 2nd chapter, the 25th verse in the Message today. He, Abba, says, I will make up for the years the locust, and even the great locust has caused devastation. So you may be facing great problems today. You may be feeling like everything around me is being eaten up and all I feel is pain and hurt and distress. But the word says, He, Abba, will make up for it. Even great locusts, even great devastation. He is ready and willing and wants to help you. If you go down to 27 in that same chapter, it says, For I am your God, I am Abba your Father. Yes, your God, the one and only, the only real God. You may notice that I say Abba a lot. The reason being is because Abba means daddy. You are my daddy. You are my source of comfort. When you were little, no matter what problem you had, no matter how bad you hurt yourself, you wanted your daddy. You wanted his arms of love to wrap around you and comfort you. It is no different with Abba, your Father. He loves you. He wants to comfort you. He wants to change your situation. We have read these scriptures today, and you say, well, how do you know it's true? Because Abba's word is the same yesterday, today, and forever. He cannot lie. He has not lied, and He will not. His love and His grace are so great and so far-reaching. There is no problem, no situation that He cannot touch and change. You know, my friend, today you have to realize the only thing that stops that change in your life from happening is you. Say, I want to receive this today. I believe the words that I have heard, and I know, Abba, you are my daddy. You are the one that loves me when it seems like nobody else does. And I believe you will change these circumstances in my life. And He will. Different. Believe today and receive and watch what happens.